Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to show y'all Tarte's new brow products. They just launched 2 new products, so I thought I would do my brows using both products. That way you can see how to use them and see what they look like. So let's go ahead and get started. So both of the brow products are part of Tarte's Big Ego collection, which Big Ego is Tarte's newest mascara, which has an ingredient called Babasu in it, which helps to hydrate and nourish your lashes. So same thing goes for the brow products. It just helps to condition and nourish your eyebrows. So the first product is the brow pomade. First of all, I love the rose gold packaging for all of these new products, and I don't know if it will focus, but I love that this isn't thick like a lot of other pomades, so a little goes a long way with this, and in my opinion it looks really natural, so that's why I really like this. And then like I was saying, it does have Babasu in it, so that's what makes it just glide on, and it also stays for 24 hours. So Tarte also came out with a new brush. Once again, it's rose gold and it's retractable. So you just pull the top part up and the brush comes out. And that's what the brush looks like. And then on the other end, it has a spoolie. And then the other product is the Sketch and Set brow pencil. One side has the skinny pencil, which I really like because you can really make hair-like strokes where it looks more natural. And then on the other side, it has a tinted brow gel that also has the Babasu in it, so it is going to help condition your eyebrows. And it's not going to make them feel stiff or sticky. So this pencil is waterproof, so it will stay all day as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do the pomade first. And I'm going to go ahead and use the brow brush. I'm going to be honest with y'all, this isn't my favorite brush, but to try something different, it does take me a little while to get used to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the brush for this video. That way y'all can see and kind of make your own opinion, and then maybe I will end up liking it more. So first I'm gonna take the spoolie and just run it through my brows, getting out any foundation and just kind of combing them into place. And I am using shade Medium Cool Brown. So a little goes a long way with this product. So when I do my brows, I always start on the bottom. Trying to make sure I stay in the frame. So I outline the bottom, and when I don't have much product left on my brush in the front, I sweep that up, because I don't want it to be super dark in the front, because I feel like that's when you kind of start getting that boxy brow, if that makes sense. So I'm going to get a little bit more product. And I am actually just doing like one swipe to get the product. So then I'm just going to finish outlining the bottom. So now I'm going to go to the top, and what I do for the top is I don't start all the way at the front of my brow. I will start about right here, outline the top, kind of get more of the product off. Then when I don't have much product left, I will go to the front of my brow. Then I will go back and fill it all in. And then once I have it all filled in, I will take the spoolie and go back over it, because that is going to soften it, make it look even more natural. And then if I have any sharp lines, that will help to soften those out as well. So if you ever get too much product and you feel like your brows are too dark, that is what your spoolie is for. The spoolie is the blending brush for your brows. So I'm actually going to use Tarte's other brow brush. This comes with their brow mousse, which is their older brow product. So I actually really love this brush. So I'm going to use this brush on this side. Okay, so first impression of using this brush, I have to put more product on this brush than I do the retractable one, which could be a good or bad thing. Could be good because then you won't use as much product. Bad because you'll end up putting too much on the brush, if that makes sense. And then same thing, use the spoolie to blend everything out. Okay, so here is what my brows look like with the pomade. So you can see it is very soft. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Sketch and Set. So I believe the Tarte way, like how they intended for you to use it, is to outline with the pencil and then fill in with the brow gel. But I usually just use the brow gel in the front of my brows. So what I'm going to do is on this brow, do it the Tarte way, and then on this side, do it my way. So I have actually been using this product the most, and I'll kind of go in and out of phases on if I use a pomade or a pencil. But for the past, I would say close to a year, I've just been using a pencil. I'm gonna do it the Tarte way and just outline, and I do it the same way. I start by outlining the bottom and try not to fill it in. And you just want to go on your natural hairline. And then I'm gonna fill in, trace the top. And then I'm going to go in with the brow gel to fill it in, and we'll see how that looks. Okay, so what I'm doing with the gel is actually dragging the tip against my skin where I have sparse areas and would use the pencil. I just need a little more in the front. Okay, the only thing I would probably do different is I would probably use the pencil in the very front and then still go back in. But yeah, that was actually a lot quicker. It is just so hard for me to change how I've been doing something. Go ahead and do it the way I was, just in case you aren't comfortable doing it this way. That way you can see both and just go from there. So I start off the same way, outlining the bottom, and then I kind of turn the pencil to the side like this, and I go the way of the hair. So I go up in the front and just do little hair-like strokes because I want it to look natural. And then I'll go to the top and then fill it in. And then that's when I will go in with the clear or the gel and just do it in the front. But yeah, I actually like how that one turned out. So yeah, I'll just kind of go in the front. Okay, I'm going to get up close and personal with y'all again so y'all can see the difference in the brows. So fill this one in all with the pencil, just did the gel in the front, and then outlined with the pencil and filled in with the gel. I actually like this brow better. Which one do y'all like better? Pencil, gel in the front, outline with pencil, fill in with gel. So those are Tarte's new brow products. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know which product was your favorite and which one you can't wait to try. So these products are available at Ulta and Sephora, so definitely go check them out, play around with the testers. I recommend trying to find a color closest to your brow hairs. That's going to make it look a little bit more natural, but there's always someone who can help you find a color if you can't decide. So if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my upcoming videos. I post a new one every week, but I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.